Music. CreditSaint Review, my experience and key features. In this video, I'll share my personal experience with CreditSaint, highlighting its key features and who it's best for. Product links are below. CreditSaint is a top-rated credit repair company helping you boost your score by challenging inaccurate or outdated information on your reports. It's especially useful for tackling negative marks like late payments, collections, or even bankruptcies. CreditSaint's personalized approach sets it apart. With various plans, you choose the service level that suits your needs. They start with a thorough credit report analysis and create a customized action plan targeting negative items affecting your score. Their aggressive credit repair process goes beyond simple disputes, working directly with credit bureaus and creditors to remove negative entries. You get continuous support and regular progress updates. CreditSaint offers a money-back guarantee if results aren't seen within a specific time frame, boosting customer confidence. Perfect for those lacking the time or expertise to manage credit repair independently, CreditSaint handles everything, including communicating with credit bureaus and creditors. The process takes a few months, but many users see significant score improvements. Remember, credit repair isn't instant, and results vary. CreditSaint is excellent for those serious about improving their credit and willing to invest in professional help. Ready to make a real change? Check the link below to learn more about CreditSaint and start improving your credit score today.